Artoonza.
Hey there, classroom champions and future genius students. Ready for a wild secret that'll blow your artistic mind? School supplies are secretly the coolest, most underrated art subjects on planet Earth. No joke. Today, we're drawing the ultimate dream team of school essentials, a spiral notebook that's totally meant for super serious notes and definitely not for doodling during math class. Wink, wink. Scissors that promise to only cut paper and absolutely stay away from your siblings' hair. Please don't. Fingers crossed. And a pencil cup so spectacular and fancy, even your art teacher will be jealous and might frame it. We're unleashing pink magic, yellow sparkles, blue brilliance, plus orange, green, and red awesomeness that'll make your drawings look like they belong in a museum instead of just on your fridge.
Aww, so cute.
Grab those paintbrushes, your secret glitter stash, and maybe a snack because things are about to get messier than your backpack on Friday afternoon. Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time to squeeze those paint dropper bottles like you're a chef adding secret sauce to a masterpiece pizza. Except this pizza is your drawing and way more colorful. Watch as pink drops go splish splash onto your paper like tiny pink raindrops having the best day ever. Now grab that brush and start spreading this fabulous pink magic like you're frosting the world's fanciest cupcake. Swish, swoosh, painting our school supplies with pink perfection. Your spiral notebook is about to look pinker than a flamingo wearing a tutu at a strawberry festival. Keep brushing, keep smiling, and remember, there's no such thing as too much pink unless you accidentally paint your cat. Please don't. This is looking absolutely spectacular. Our school supplies are getting their pink glow up and loving every second. You're a pink painting wizard. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aww, so cute.
Yellow time sunshine artists. Drop, drop, drop those yellow paint drops like you're planting tiny suns on your paper. Now brush that golden goodness everywhere. Our school supplies are getting brighter than a banana wearing sunglasses at the beach. Swish that brush and watch the yellow magic happen. You're painting with liquid sunshine, and it's making everything look absolutely amazing. Light blue alert! Squeeze those droppers and watch blue drops dance onto your drawing like tiny ocean waves having a pool party. Now take that brush and spread this cool blue awesomeness everywhere. Our school supplies are about to look cooler than an ice cream cone riding a skateboard. Brush that beautiful blue brilliance. You're creating art bluer than the sky on the clearest day ever. This looks phenomenal. Now for the grand finale drops. Squeeze green, then orange, then red. Drop, drop, drop like confetti cannons at the most colorful party. Watch those colors land.
Aww,
Boom!
so cute.
Time to brush these final colors into pure magic. Grab that brush and blend the light green like you're painting a garden. Now add that red fire, then sweep in that orange sunshine. Swish, swoosh. You're a color wizard creating a rainbow masterpiece. Our school supplies transformed from boring to brilliant. Look at these gorgeous colors dancing together. Wow. You did it, amazing artist. This is frame-worthy and museum-worthy. Smash that like button now. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.